So for the Paris ePrix, we're going to make a very, very simple vegan French apple tart. The first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 190 degrees centigrade. That's 375 degrees Fahrenheit, gas mark 5, or 170 degrees if you have a fan oven. Using some ready-made, ready-rolled puff pastry, which most of them these days in the supermarkets are suitable for vegetarians and vegans. Unroll your pastry sheet onto a flat surface, and then using a saucer or a plate or a bowl, depending on the size of the apple tart that you want, place it upside down on the pastry and use a sharp knife to cut out a circle. Once you've cut your shapes out, you then need to take your sharp knife and just score 1/2 inch from the edge all the way around the pastry base. Transfer your cut out circles to some greaseproof paper on a baking sheet, and then in the middle here you need to score some crisscrosses so the middle of the tart doesn't rise up as much as the outside. And that's what you should end up with. Then simply peel, core and slice 2 cooking apples. Then simply place the apples on the crisscross bit on the pastry. Once the apples have been covered with sugar, simply paste or spread some plant-based milk, preferably almond, around the edges here, and then pop them in the preheated oven for 30 minutes.